Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add tags and animate tags on your video in CapCut PC. So guys, here I have already created a project in my CapCut PC, and if you want to add tags to your CapCut video, you can tap on the tags option right here. Then you can select the default tags. It's over here. You can select brand tags 2 or brand tags 1, and I'm gonna go with this brand tags 1. So we can tap on this plus button. Then you can start typing your tags right here. So for example, I'm going to type Happy New Year. Then once you're done typing the text, you can change the font of the text. You can tap on this font option. And for example, I'm going to select this font. You can also do styling for your text. You can make it bold, underline, or italic. And I'm gonna go with bold. You can also change the color of the text. It's over here if you want to change the color. You can increase the font size as well, like this. And you can place the text to the part of the video that you want. You can tap and hold on the text, then you can drag it. Okay, and if you want to animate your text, you can simply tap on the animation option right here. Then you can choose in, out, or loop animation. And I'm gonna go with loop animation. Then we can select the type of the animation that we want. And I'm gonna go with the shake animation. So we can tap on the animation that we like. Okay, and we can adjust the length of the text like this. Okay, and this is the result, guys. So I'm going to play the video to take a look at the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add an animate tags on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.